Well, well, well. Clicking that subscribe button must have alerted you like a deer hearing a stick snap. But I digress. Let's see how you surprise me today, you twatbag. Ooh, pants. Or trousers, depending on where you're from. Fuck me, are these from L.B.M 1911? Are they still calling themselves that? Or is it Luigi Bianchi Mantova? I can't keep up with all these names. Lubiam has more names than Prince. May his soul rest in peace. Purple rain. God, he was a genius. Speaking of soul, though, you don't have to sell yours to get your ass in a pair of these. Compared to other Italian tailoring, L.B.M is only finished by hand. Is that a Welt watch pocket? Proper thing. Ooh, I know this feeling. This is damn near 100% cotton if I've ever felt it. George Costanza would have dressed the Yankees in these breeches. Look at how they come off sophisticated but casual. Both pairs garment dyed. Oh, this is pure sartorial bliss. These pants don't stray from the sizing chart either, so my arse can cash all the checks it's written, and Jesus, I bet it's never looked better. Jackets. Ooh, 3 amazing jackets. Well, once again, it's garment dyed, surprise, surprise, and unlined. It honestly feels like you're wearing a sweater. And would you look at this? Slightly lighter in weight, also unlined in the typical L.B.M fashion, and with that same 2-button closure and patch pockets. This flax linen is durable too, and it travels perfectly. And this. The pièce de résistance. Sure, unlined once more, but my fuck. This is the type of jacket that makes adults follow someone into the back of a van. It's literally to fucking die for. This light spring summer jacket pairs perfectly with anything. But give some pastel pieces a try while you're at it. Now, if you want any more recommendations like this, click that subscribe button. And if not, do you know what you can do? Fuck off and let me drink my drink. Twat.